Welcome back. Welcomes and greetings to your journey learning Python programming. Today's topic is set. Set is one of the data types. We can say like that one of the things we can store multiple values. Sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable, just like the list and tuple in dictionary. But the difference between that, a set is a collection which is unordered, unchangeable in some conditions, applies, and unindexed. Okay, so what happened here? If you can see here, my data is stored in red, green, blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow in green sequence, but it display, we can see here, if I run it, and we can change, the index will change automatically. So this is the first difference between list tuple and others data and tuple. Okay, the syntax, the index change. Okay, now one more time. See now, and we can see here it's just unique data. Blue and blue, it's repeated. So it's print blue only one side. So it's a word of duplication. Okay, it's a word duplication. So data must be unique. So the blue is represent only one time in the set. Okay, now let's see, and I'm using here curly bracket. Okay, so this is again the second difference between this tuple and set. So okay, first is indexing, it's auto change. Okay, it's unindexed. Second things, we use curly bracket, and now show you the different methods here. If I have a string and I want to convert into the set, I use set keyword. Set into the bracket your data, your variable name, and it's converted. And again, we can see here it's unordered. Okay, I pass Python, but it's written H, some different indexes. Again, I'm passing range 1, 6. Okay, so what happened basically? It's showing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6 is not included. Okay, now we know that in the range. Okay, when we say 6, so it's up to the 6, not 6 included. Now, again, the same set on range. Now, I'm using list. I'm having list, and I use set function to convert my list into the set. Okay, we use set and print. So we can see here 23 is 5. So it's avoid and display only 23 one time. If I repeating 23 multiple times, the output remains same. Okay, it's just avoid duplication. Okay, in this set data must be unique. Now, what happens if I want to add some new data in my set? We have an add command. Okay, this is new. Okay, this is different than list tuple. In distant tuple, we can append or we can directly assign the index and equal to value to change the operators, to change the values. But now we have add command. My variable name, that means my set name, dot, and the dot add in the value. So pink is added here. Okay, it's unordered. Okay, if I want to remove, then we have a remove command. S.remove, and what value we want to delete? I want to delete green. So green is not here. It's just removed from the set. The pop is same. Okay, the pop is same. If I say S.pop, so what happened? By default, it's remove the last item. Before I remove, let me print as. Okay, the last value is your array, but as we know, okay, it's just remove any random item. Okay, basically what happened when we are not passing here any value, it's remove the last item. Okay, so this is again the difference between list tuple and when we are working with set. To be careful and keep on your mind, in pop it's just remove any random item. Okay, and normally what happen if I have if I have a list here, suppose assume that this is not set, then list. What happened? Pop remove the last item. Okay, and always pop remove the last item. Now, if I have a different set and I want to find length, so it's a 4. Okay, it's a 4 unique items is there. The same way for I want to retrieve the data using for loop for I in my set variable, and I say print 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's retrieve one by one value. Okay. This is the basic main use of using set. We can use some sets command like unique, intersection. Okay, let's show here and explain in the details. I have one set, blue, green, look at the value. Okay, red and yellow. So basically this red is the color. I'm using the same example, same list in my all these examples. So keep here, I have only one color named red is the common between those two sets. Okay, else is all is unique. Okay, only the red is a color which is available in my both sets. So what happen if I say S1 pipe sign S2? So this is basically pipe sign is for union. So what union do? It's display all the unique value. It's display all the unique value. So we have either or option. Either you can use this operator pipe sign, or either we can say S dot union S2. The output is same. The output is same. The things I'm using here a function. Here I'm using a operator. The choice is yours. So it's just show you the all the possible value, but avoid duplicate. So it's print red only one time. Okay, union is just merge all the data and display all the unique value, but only one time. Okay. What intersect do? S1 and S2. The intersect operator is AND. We have alternative option. We can use S1 dot intersections dot S2. So what is the output? It's display only the intersect. That means match value. In this set and this set, what is the match value? So I have a common value. Red is matched. It's display red and green. Okay. Now it is basically a minus, not intersection. It's a minus. S1 minus S2. So what happened? Whatever the data available in S1 is removed. Okay, whatever the data available here, it's removed from the my S1. So what happened? Blue, green and yellow available print, but red is a common, that's why it's minus. Because whatever the data is available here is just minus, it's just removed from the my first list. Okay. Now I have to add here one more black. So what happened here? Output is still same. Black is not present. Why? Because black is also available here. But if I'm adding here some new color which is not available in S2, then it's print. Okay. So what minus do? It just minus all the possible, all the matching value from S1. And the remaining list it's print. Okay. And the remaining reads it's print. Either you can use minus keyword or difference. Okay. So if you want to use operator, use minus, or if you want to use the function, use the difference. Okay. Now, frozen. If I say frozen keyword, okay, I have a set and into the round bracket and I mention frozen set. Okay. So this display with this keyword frozen. Then it's display with this keyword frozen. And now in next example, I say S1.pop. So what happen if I say S1.pop? So it's just remove any random number. Yeah, okay. It's just remove any random key. So in this example, it's remove blue. Okay. Blue is not available here. So it says remove blue. So same things happen here. Same thing happen here. No, it's showing the error. It's showing the error. If I say S1.pop, it's showing the error. Frozen object has no attribute pop. So when you say frozen, now no any alteration, insert, update, delete is applicable on this particular set. It's a freeze. Okay, it's just frozen. It's just fix it. So now when say frozen, we cannot make any changes on this particular set. Okay, so this is very good example in good practice for this set, and very important topics you have to revision it is minus, intersection, union. So do keep practicing, keep learning. See you in the next video. Bye bye.